Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my summer camper box card. How fun is this scene? You've got those two different kinds of trees there in the background, the moon there in the top, that cute little camper in the front just sitting there in the wilderness. I love the sentiment there in the front as well. It folds relatively flat for mailing. There's a big spot there on the back for your message. And of course it comes with an envelope as well. This card is really fun and really cute to make, and I can't wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewifecom/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have a few things that we need to convert, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to open up the layers. Click on the score lines, convert those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Do the same thing for the outside box piece. Click on that little icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing for the inside tab piece. Click on that icon, click on the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is take our outside box piece, and I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Just like that. I'm going to set that to the side for a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Now let's flip the outside box piece over and attach the messaging panel to the back of the card. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side for a minute. Now let's go ahead and fold and burnish the tabs for the inside tab piece. And we'll set that to the side. Alright, now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel together. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of these pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the green tree layer, then the brown tree trunks, light blue, dark blue, beige, and orange. I'm going to layer all this together and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'll set that to the side for just a minute. Before we get started actually putting all the pieces together, you're going to take this white circle. This is going to represent the moon in our little scene here. Go ahead and place that wherever you want on the inside of this card base. I'm just going to put it kind of right there. Now let's take our inside tab piece, add glue to the left tab here. We're going to place it on the left hand side of the outside box piece, making sure to line up the edges along the left score line and then the bottom. Add glue to the right tab and then fold the box piece over. Just like that. Now I'm going to add glue to this left front tab. And then attach the front cover panel. Again, making sure I line up the edges. And then add glue to this right tab to close up the box. Just go ahead and fold that front cover panel over. Make sure that everything lines up. And then give the card a fold. And there is our box card. I'm going to set that to the side so that can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Go ahead and place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring the side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How cute was that card? Really, really fun to make and the perfect way to end the event. I hope that you've enjoyed this event as much as I have. It has been so fun to see all of your different creations with the different projects every day. While I know that this is our last project for the event, don't worry, Summer Craft Party will come back next year. And I can't wait to do it all again. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.